If you have pinching in your right hip when you do certain movements, here are 3 drills to help with that. The first one is this banded hip capsule stretch. This is a great place to start. You want to have the band as high on your leg as you possibly can, and then you want to think about sitting back into your back pocket. You should feel a really nice stretch in your glute here. The next 2 drills are going to open up some space in that hip joint. Lay on your left side with your knees and hips at 90 degrees and a pad underneath you, and then you want your right foot slightly in front of your left foot on the wall. From here, think about pushing your right foot into the wall with like a 3 or 4 out of 10 intensity without letting any parts of the tripod of your foot come off the wall. You should feel your glute fire from doing this. In this position, take a deep inhale through your nose, and then as you exhale, think about slowly sliding your knee forward and slowly bringing it up away from your left knee without that ball of your big toe coming off the wall. Your right glute should be absolutely on fire here. Do this for 1 to 3 sets of 5 to 8 breaths, and every time you exhale through your mouth, think about driving your knee a little bit more forward and a little bit more away from the left knee. You can also do this from a half kneeling position with a foam roller on the outside of your knee, going through the same breathing sequence, and every exhale, think about pushing your knee a little bit more forward and a little bit more out into the foam roller. With this drill, you want to keep your entire body square and just feel that right glute fire and that right hip open up a little bit more every time you exhale. So these last 2 drills are really good at opening up space in that right hip, which should help with the pinching sensation on the right side. If you have pinching in the left hip, the process is a little bit different, and I'll be making a video on that this week as well.